Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to start by wetting my hair with conditioner and water, getting it all up in there, scrunching it up, getting it to the roots, okay? And I know I'm looking crazy now, but just wait. Yes, I am singing. I gotta have the jams playing. All right. So, next, we're going to get my Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner and put that in my hair, scrunch it up, move it through just to soften my hair. And next, I'm going to be taking my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, which is a spray, and spraying my hair just to help revive my curls more. Now we're going to take our handy dandy pick and pick out our hair. As you can see, I am not pulling my hair all the way through. I'm just spreading out the roots, if that makes sense, stretching the roots. Yeah, shrinkage. And next I'm going to take my frizz buster. It wasn't focusing, so I just turned it around for you guys, but I'm going to list it below. Anyway, I'm going to take that and scrunch it up in my hair, make my hair shiny and all that goodness. So I'm back. We're going to be moving on to the makeup. I'm going to take my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which I'm really not a fan of. It's not for my oily girls. And then I'm going to take just some regular dark brown powder and fill my brows in. So next, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Concealer, and I'm going to link everything below. But I think it's in the shade number 8. And girl, when I conceal my brow, that thing came out crispy the first time, all right? So I'm going to do the second brow, and then I'm going to bring down my concealer and blend it out. So this is my P. Louise base in rumor number 4, I believe. And I'm going to just blend that out on my lid to make my shadow stick and have more pigment. Next is my Warrior 2 palette. It is full of neutrals and I love it. It's a must-have for my makeup artist kit. I'm going to be taking the dark brown color, which will be listed below, and blend that out on in my crease and blend it up. If you are a chocolate girl and do not have the Danessa Myricks highlighters, what are you doing? These are amazing. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, put it on my lid, and then I'm going to take some mascara. Next is my foundation. Okay, y'all are probably wondering, why is this girl using Fashion Fairy? Was she born in 1946? But let me tell you, I got this because someone bought the wrong color and they gave it to me. And when I tell y'all, this is the best stick foundation I have ever used. As you can see, it matches me perfectly. So if you ever have a chance to cop this, do. I promise you won't regret it. So that's my mama in the back because she was talking to me and didn't know I was recording. But anyway, I'm going to put my concealer on, blend it out. Y'all know the drill. And then I'm going to take this Morphe bronzer. And oh my gosh, this is in the color Prodigy, and it is a dark skin must-have. Please get it. Go buy it. Go buy it. Go buy it. It's great. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier dark setting powder and cut my cheeks, cheekbones out, and then tap the rest underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to get my Danessa again and pop that on my cheekbones to have that glow from within. Y'all know y'all girls stay stocked with the lashes, honey. I will leave the link down below because I love these lashes. So I'm just going to put a thin black line on my lid, and boom, your girl got lashes. All right, now I'm going to blend out my powder. So I don't know if a lot of people do this, but like in the makeup artist world, we use foundation as liner all the time. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm putting my Spicy Dark Cosmetics gloss on, which is amazing. And I'm looking at myself, feeling myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and come back for more.